Idiots. Okay, now this problem. A uniform rod AB of mass m, length L, suspended in horizontal position with the help of two strings. As shown in figure, the string supported the end B cut. Find the acceleration of the mass center and end A both. So they are asking acceleration of the mass center. Let's get the free body diagram of this properly.
Sir,
Abba,
I had gotten disconnected, sir, so please can you share the question?
I'll check. Only 1 minute. Okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Small elements.
So my acceleration of A.
No, I just wrote these two equations. I'm writing simultaneously this equation.
So how horizontal is acceleration of AC towards the
You just write it, man. I just wrote those equations. I wrote saying that AA will be here, this will be here, this will be here, this will be here. So and so forth. Everything. We have discussed this now earlier.
same here.
We have not discussed.
Then you say-
See, because if this rotates, then this AC will have two components.
Yes.
One is tangential, one is this.
Sine of theta.
Isn't it? See here the total acceleration AC here will have two components. One tangential and one this one towards the center.
Yes.
Isn't it? Tangential of course will be alpha into C. Alpha into R will be tangential, minus you'll have m omega square R. But since it is cut at the same instant, this will not be into consideration.
Only alpha into R is used.
Only alpha into R will be there.
Yes.
You know this condition.
So say at that instant.
Okay, and this is the acceleration at the center with respect to P.
So but at that instant A of acceleration of point T.
That you have to know. See this basically now. You see in this system, in the see this is see formerly this was fixed.
Yes.
Now this is not fixed. This is not fixed.
Yes, it is not.
So therefore this can have its own acceleration.
Yes, sir.
It is in transition.
Yes, sir. That can happen.
Huh.
How horizontal?
That we have to see. That let us
So,
see.
this-
Why I wrote that horizontal? Because if you say this AC is only tangential, this AC is only tangential, then there has to be acceleration in this direction. That is this component.
Yes, sir. But
This
at that
must be
instant
there.
it's not
This
there.
must be there. And if it was there, it would have been there. Now maybe we will get that zero.
Yes, sir.
Maybe we will get that
Yes,
zero.
sir. Only zero, sir.
Because this is not there, so therefore AA will be equal to 0. If understood, AA will be
Yes.
equal to 0 in this case.
At that instant.
At that instant, it will be equal to 0. Okay, I have to cut it. See, you remember in the other problem that we solved,
Yes.
it was like this.
Right, sir.
This was like
Yes,
this.
yes, yes.
You remember?
Yes, sir.
So the rod was like this. So now if you cut this thread,
Yes, sir.
okay, then see this was going down. Okay, so this was going down. So now we said at that point AC was in this direction, but this was AT, and this was
Yes.
AR.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay, and therefore AT will be equal to AC cos theta.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and AT will be alpha into R. Alpha into this distance, L by 2. You remember that?
Yes, sir.
Now we had got at that time omega square R acting in this direction, and this angle was theta.
Yes.
Okay, and again we took the component in this direction, and
Yes,
then we
sir.
did it. You remember that?
It was not omega square. It was this component.
No, see
Yes, sir.
this one, this mg, we split this mg into two components, one here and one here. And this component,
Again, I-
okay, again we took the cos theta of that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In that particular numerical
Yes, sir.
that we worked out.
Yes.
Okay, and here it is straightforward.
Yes, sir.
Got it? I simply wrote this equation here, but I don't have to use this. I have to use only this equation. Okay, fine.
Okay, sir.
Hello, everybody there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is how you have to work it out. Yes, see, correct. We have to write that equation.
Yes.
Then we have to prove, okay, it is 0 and all those things, correct. Okay, so this component AC will not be there. So ACJ will only be equal to AI plus so and so, and AC will be half alpha L. Okay, L by 2. We got alpha L by 2. and A will be equal to 0, automatically equal.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and these were the equations that were given to us. So T into this is IC alpha. We also wrote this equation, and we also wrote this equation. And substituting this for this, we got T is equal to 1 by 3 MAC. Oh, sorry, I forgot to ask you the answers. And AC will be equal to 34G.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
Aram se look at it. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay?